In this video, I will show you how to empty trash on Android. First, launch open the Files app on your device. Now, if you do not have this Files app, then you can simply head over to Play Store and then search for Files by Google and install this application. This application is going to make it really easy to empty your trash on Android. So go ahead and install this. Now, launch it open. Here, what you want to do is find the trash or bin folder. For that, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and here you should be able to find the bin or trash option. Select that. All the items that you have deleted for the last 30 days will appear over here. Now, what you want to do is select the files that you want to delete, or if you completely want to empty your trash, then you can tap on all items. Then tap on the delete option, then tap on delete. Once you do that, your trash will be emptied on Android. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.